step, passé. Very nice, Amira. Yes, step, passé. And we're gonna really focus. Think about pulling that passé up fast, and I wanna see the moment where you go freeze. Okay, so we go step, freeze. Okay, focusing on freezing, chins up. Show me where your hands are. So I don't want them down here. I want them up here. In fists. Yep, on your waist. Yes. We don't want to look like this. And we don't want to look like chickens either, no. Okay, ready? So remember, it's up, up. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, go step. Up, up, up. Amira, you are nailing it, girlfriend. Up, up, up. Yep, you guys can go now once you have space. Up, up, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, Addie. Just slow down and stay right on the music. Up, step, up, step, up, 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 up. Good. Now try not to look at the floor. Keep that chin up. Point those feet. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Why don't you go with these two? Yep. On this line. 6, 7, 8. Come down this way. Yep, go with Audrey. Good, Audrey. Now just connect that foot to your leg. Connect that foot to your leg. There you go. Hands on your hips.